first up, a quick check of the latest in the Rania Rao gold smuggling case. The submission by the DRI in the request for extension of remand of the third accused in the case, Sahil Jain, states that Rania Rao, with the help of Sahil Jain, smuggled 49.3 kilograms of gold into India from Dubai from November of last year, and that Sahil settled over 38 crore rupees through hawala transactions for the purchase and sale of that gold. Multiple dimensions to this case of Rania, who's, remember, the stepdaughter of a DGP rank officer in Karnataka. Joining me live, our correspondent Deepak Bopanna, who's been tracking that case very closely. Deepak, give us the details from the DRI's submission before the court and what else you're picking up on the case.
Very good evening, Avira. Yes, very key development here. Sahil Jain, who's a third accused in this particular case, the remand copy that we've accessed reveals some details which, of course, throw light into how big this entire case is. Because up until now, initially the probe was revolving around the 14 kilos of gold that she was caught bringing into India. But right now, details that the DRI has managed to get over the past few weeks, and also this particular statement and the remand copy does suggest that it is about 50 kilograms of gold in total that they have actually brought time and again to India. Not just that, this particular individual here has helped her actually dispose of this gold, then get hold of money, and then through hawala transactions actually move the money as well. He was also getting a commission out of this, so this is a very important development which will not just help the DRI in investigations further, but also the CBI, which is also parallelly investigating the larger gold smuggling racket in the country. Another key development today in this particular case is the High Court of Karnataka actually ordering the Kempegowda International Airport to preserve the CCTV footage, because once in a month they continue to delete CCTV footage. But because this entire case began at the international airport, the mother of Rania Rao had moved court asking for the CCTV to be preserved. Why this is important is because while the DRI claims that she was making her way out of the aircraft towards the customs checkpoint where she was actually caught hiding the gold, but in one of the letters that she had written alleging harassment by the DRI, she had claimed that she was picked up directly from the flight itself. So the CCTV, of course, will become crucial evidence in the days to come. How the DRI and how Rania Rao and her advocates make use of it in the coming days, that remains to be seen.
Important points that you're making there, Deepak Bopanna. As you rightly pointed out, this pretty much quantifies the extent of the case and also gives a quantity to those hawala transactions that have been alleged.